عاملين ايه جريد 5؟ وحشتوني. اهلا بيكم على قناتنا THN Science Academy. قناتنا جزء من اكاديميتنا، احنا اكاديمية الساينس THN Science Academy. channel tube, Facebook page to publish PDF papers, Telegram group to publish everything, videos, PDF paper، وواتساب جروب عشان اتابعكم لاي سؤال واي كومنت واي شيء انتم محتاجينه في الساينس، سواء داخلنا من فيديوهاتنا او الPDF الخاص بينا او اسئله خارجيه او اجزاء انتم مش فاهمينها. ومعاكم دايما ان شاء الله، معانا تحتاجوش درس ساينس تاني. معاكم مسز هبه، ويلا نبدا الدرس. لسه في Unit 1 Interaction of Organism Concept 1 Plant Parts. والنهاردة we have plant vs human. البلانت والهيومن البارتس بتاعتهم صحيح مختلفة، ولكن هنلاقيها متشابهة. يبقى today we will know the similarities and differences between human and plant. هنلاقي ان الروتس مثلا of the plant, do you think it has similarity with the human? Yes. The stem, respiratory system, circulatory system of the human, they. تعالوا نفكر كده ازاي roots and legs are similar. How they are similar. ها فكروا معايا، هنفكر ازاي. Function of the root. What is the root function? What is the function of the root? What's the function of the legs? The root has first function is to hold the plant to the soil, anchor plant to the soil, or stabilize plant in the soil. تمام؟ طيب is this similar to our legs؟ أيوة. human legs stabilize human to the ground، بيخلينا نقدر to walk, jump and run. تمام. without legs can we stand up? Can we move? Can we stand? Can we run? Can we jump? لا. طب this is the similarities. Hold to the soil, stabilize human to ground. What is the difference? A plant cannot run. Plant cannot move. A plant cannot jump by the root. Only stabilize or anchor the plant to the soil. طيب الroots absorb water. هل our legs absorb water؟ لا طبعا. No. So we have similarities and we have differences. طيب ايه تاني؟ The stem and the skeleton. Stem gives the plant its shape and support it. The one job of the stem. This is one job. Give the plant its shape and support the plant. And hold the plant parts. طب السكيلتون بتاعنا البونز والمسلز تقريبا the same function, the same this function. بيعمل ايه؟ The skeleton gives the human their shape and support our body system. تمام؟ gives us shape and supports our body system. Hold our organs. تمام؟ تمام. عندنا leaves has openings called stomata. طيب الستوماتا دي work as our respiratory system. احنا عارفين الستوماتا through it oxygen gets out as an outcome of photosynthesis process and carbon dioxide gets in في exchanging of gases. During photosynthesis carbon dioxide gets in and oxygen gets out and excess of water vapor gets out through stomata. طب ده الفانكشن بتاع ايه؟ our respiratory system. Through our respiratory system oxygen gets in, so our body can use it, and carbon dioxide gets out. يبقى our respiratory system exchange gas, and stomata of the plant is the part where the plant exchange gases. تمام؟ يبقى هنا stomata openings on the leaf work as respiratory system. Stomata openings help plant exchange gases and get rid of excess water. The respiratory system help a human exchange gases and get rid of excess water. تمام؟ تمام. The respiratory system ودي الستوماتا exchanging gases. اوكي. ايه تاني؟ احنا قلنا stomata respiratory system, roots like legs, stem like our skeleton. ايه تاني؟ احنا خدنا الترانسبورتيشن سيستم الخاص بالبلانت اللي هو موجود في all part of the plant اللي هو الزايلم والفلايم. تمام؟ xylem for the water and phloem for transportation of plant food or plant sugar. طب ده مشابه لإيه عندنا؟ Xylem transports water to the leaf and phloem transports food from leaves to all parts. ده شبه إيه؟ ده شبه system عندنا اسمه the circulatory system. circulatory system هو ده circulatory system. heart and blood vessels. ده اسمها البلو اند ريد دي اسمها blood vessels. والجزء البامبينج ده هنا ده اسمه الهارت. ده اسمه circulatory system of the human. help humans transport blood to the heart to exchange gases. The blood that coming from lung and carrying oxygen will goes out from the heart to all part of the human. blood that carry carbon dioxide will come from the body and go to the heart and get out of the and for the lungs, so the carbon dioxide will goes out. تمام؟ طيب يبقى هنا السيركيولاتري سيستم ده اللي بيساعد، ده الترانسبورتيشن سيستم الخاص بالهيومن. يبقى زي كده ترانسبورتيشن سيستم الخاص بالبلانت زايلم والفلايم. ترانسبورتيشن سيستم الخاص بالهيومن هو السيركيولاتري سيستم. طيب نعرف اكتر شويه كمان السيركيولاتري سيستم بيساعد على نقل النيوترينتس. circulatory systems carry nutrients not only gases through blood to all body system. يبقى وظيفة transportation system في الهيومن هو transport the most important liquid, the liquid of life for all living organisms including human except plant. For animals and human اللي هو liquid of life اللي هو البلد عن طريق السيركيولاتري سيستم اللي هو الترانسبورتيشن سيستم الخاص بالبلد. هنا مشابه للترانسبورتيشن سيستم الخاص بالبلانت اللي هو الزايلم والفلاي. transport water and food. طب ممكن نعرف more details؟ تعالوا نعرف more details. الهيومن circulatory system اللي هو الهيومن transportation system of blood والبلانت transportation system. تمام؟ تمام. ده circulatory system. شايفين؟ blood moving in and out from the heart. Red blood that's carrying oxygen and nutrients moving to all over the body. And the blue blood that's coming from the body with carbon dioxide and toxic materials or waste that's going to the heart. تمام؟ The circulatory system is responsible for blood transportation along with gases and nutrients within it. Blood with gas and nutrients. تمام؟ تمام. Transportation system of the plant اللي هو xylem and phloem is the plant transportation system responsible for water and food transportation. ال circulatory system أو ال human circulatory system is made of arteries and veins. The artery that's coming from the heart carrying oxygenated blood. The oxygenated blood ده is moving from the heart to all parts of the body. هيدخل بقى على ال digestive system taking the nutrients and transported to all body parts. تمام. ال veins that's coming from the body moving to the heart carrying carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. So it will get inside the heart ويدخل من ال heart to the lung ويخرج الكربون دايوكسيد عن طريق respiratory system. احنا خدنا الجزء ده في grade 4. تمام. يبقى ال plant transportation system made of phloem for the food, xylem for the water. ال circulatory system فيه برضو two parts to transport, two ways. تمام. ال arteries coming from the heart with oxygenated blood carrying oxygen, and veins moving into the heart with blood carrying carbon dioxide. تمام. تمام. طيب. Xylem tubes responsible for water transportation from roots to all parts of the plant. والphloem responsible for food transportation from roots to all parts of the plant. يبقى transportation system بتاع البلانت مقسوم جزء transport food وجزء transport water. الفود والواتر ما بيجوش على بعض، ما بيلمسوش بعض، ده ليه تيوبس وده ليه تيوبس، ده ليه سيستم ينقله طريق وده ليه سيستم ينقله طريق. التشابه في الهيومن سيركيلاتوري سيستم مش واتر وفود، لا، gases. عندي الارتريز carry oxygenated blood from the heart وال veins carrying carbon dioxide gas to the heart. تمام. تمام. الهارت is an organ that made of 4 chambers. بص الشامبرز اهي، هي دي 1 2 3 and 4. تمام. 4 chambers زي ما احنا شايفين كده، 2 chambers for the oxygenated blood و 2 chamber for carbon dioxide blood. تمام. يبقى is an organ made of 4 chambers to pump 2 chambers pump oxygenated blood from the heart to the arteries to all parts of the human, and 2 chambers for carbon dioxide blood to receive carbon dioxide blood from veins to the heart. تمام. تمام. ده عامل زي ايه؟ الفانكشن التانية الخاصة بالروت، قريب منها في ان الروت هي الاورجان responsible to get water to the stem, get water to the transportation system, receive the food from the phloem, get water to the xylem, receive the food from the phloem to store it. بيخزنه جواه، بياخد الاكل من الفلايم يخزنه عنده، ولما البلانت يحتاج يرجع يطلع تاني to all parts of the plant. would absorb the water from the soil and give it to the xylem. تمام. يبقى هنا في تشابه ما بين وظيفة الروت وما بين وظيفة الهارت، وتشابه ما بين البلانت ترانسبورتيشن سيستم والسيركيولاتري سيستم اوف ذا هيومن. تمام. طيب ايه التشابه؟ what are the similarities? they are both transport what the body need. Xylem transport water to the plant, phloem transport food to all parts of the plant, while arteries and veins in circulatory system, arteries transport blood from the heart to all parts of the body. It's coming from the heart, oxygenated blood, and veins receive carbon dioxide blood from all body parts and give it back to the heart. يبقى arteries coming out from the heart with veins going to the heart. Arteries carry blood with oxygen, veins carry blood with carbon dioxide. Heart pumping blood, oxygenated blood, to the arteries, to all parts of the body, or receive carbon dioxide blood from the veins and give it back to the lung. تمام. Roots get water to the xylem or receive food from the phloem. اوكي، يبقى ده التشابه والاختلاف. ازاي how the parts of the plant and human bodies are similar and different. سبحان الله. سبحان الله. طب تعالوا كده نعرف بقى ايه الاختلاف what animals or humans need to grow and what plants need to grow. Green is plant, blue is animals and human. This part is what they are sharing. This part is what they are sharing. They both need it. They both need sun energy. They both need water. They both need space to grow and live. This is the similarities. What is the difference? The animals and humans need food, need to eat, while plants make its food. They need it, but they make it by themselves. Animals and humans cannot make their own food. تمام؟ في difference ما بين الcooking، عشان في حد يقول we cook our food، لا، and making the food. We get the food and we cook it, but the plant make its food. Animals and humans need oxygen and to breathe and produce carbon dioxide. Inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide during respiration process. البلانتس بقى different. ايه؟ البلانتس make two process. photosynthesis زي ما قلنا في الفيديو الخاص بتاع الفوتوسينثيسيس. ده plant make photosynthesis. During photosynthesis, during the day, they need carbon dioxide and produce oxygen. But at night, they breathe, rest and breathe. So they need oxygen and produce carbon dioxide. يبقى البلانت do both. Do breathing process، تمام، respiration process during the night، بالليل وفي الشمس during the night، taking oxygen and producing carbon dioxide. But at the daylight where the sun is in the sky، تمام، الصبح they work and their work are to produce food and oxygen. So they make process called photosynthesis وشرحناها. During photosynthesis بيحصل the opposite. The plant use carbon dioxide and produce oxygen. يبقى ده how animals and human vs plant, how they are different and how they are similar. Similarities and difference between plant and other living organism. So what we have learned, summary, a little and quick summary. Humans and plants have their similarities. Human's leg, like the roots. Human heart is like the roots. Human skeleton, stem. Human respiratory system, like stomata openings on leaves. Human circulatory system is like xylem and phloem tubes inside the plant. Plant transportation system. And this is what we are going to talk about it today. يا رب تكونوا فهمتوا. Prepare your lesson, listen to your teacher, watch our video, answer your homework, and don't forget to subscribe and like our channel. ومعاكم دايما في كل وقت وأي وقت على جروبنا على الواتساب. كل اللينكات هتلاقوها في الديسكريبشن. يا ريت سبسكرايب ولايك our channel. ومعاكم دايما مسز هبة. باي باي.